Today I am going to tell you about the syllabus of chemistry class 10th ICSE book. That book is Chemistry, written by Mr. Dalal. Okay, let's start. The syllabus for first semester exam. In first semester, chapters which will be there. That first chapter, second, third, and fourth and fifth. Okay, then let's see the first chapter. Full topic is there. Means introduction, classification of elements, and what is the how groups, how periods and groups are classified, how the atomic size increases, how many groups, how many rows are there, which indicate the valence shell, which indicate the same number of electrons in the outermost shell. These all things. And then from first chapter nothing has been introduced. This full topics will come. This page full. Nothing has been reduced from this. Okay, so as I put here, electron affinity, electronegativity, all topics are included. Nothing has been reduced. Okay, then come to the second chapter. From second chapter also nothing has been reduced. In this chapter also full topic is there. Full topic: chemical bonding, how many types of chemical bonding, there are three types of chemical bonding: electrovalent ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, and structures of electrovalent bond, structure of sodium chloride, structure of calcium oxide, magnesium chloride, calcium oxide, all topics are included. Then covalent bond, what is polar, what is non-polar, hydrogen, chlorine, O2, nitrogen, how many oxygens covalent bonds are there. Then carbon tetrachloride, methane, the water, ammonia, water lone pair, coordinate bonds. The water properties belongs to electrovalent and covalent bonds. Difference between structures of electrovalent and covalent bonds. In this full chapters is there. Then acid, base and salt. From this something has been reduced. In acid nothing has been reduced. In acid full topic is there. In acid nothing has been reduced. Acid full. What is acid? What is strong acid, weak acid? Strong acid, weak acid. What is concentrated? What is dilute? This full page. In this also monobasic, diabasic, tribasic. This is also full. And what is the appearance theory and the Bouchet theory given in the acids? As Bouchet theory given, acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. This full page. Then preparation of acids and base full. Then properties of acid and base full. Acid and base neutralization full. What are indicators? What are insulin indicators? What is pH? This full. In salt, only what is salt and the types of classification of salt. Means this has been reduced. Only you have to learn what is acid salt and what is normal salt. But preparation has been reduced. This has been reduced. Okay, preparation only what is acid salt, in which salt formed by partial replacement, and in normal salt complete displacement of hydrogen or the hydroxyl ions. Okay, well this you have to learn. And in salts, what types of salt, what is double salt, mix, complex. That more types of salt that is you have studied: normal salt, acid salt, and basic salt, double salt, mixed salt, and complex salt. And this solubility, this is very important table. I made video on this. You can see. I will be putting a link in description. And preparation, this has been fully reduced. Okay. And then in analytical chemistry, full miss the reaction of Mg magnesium. This has been reduced. See, magnesium. This has been reduced. Okay. Then from this you have to learn only this full, but action of alkalis on cyanocytes we have to learn this AlO2, AlO3, Al2O3. This only 4 are there in the syllabus. This has been reduced. Only these 4 are there. Okay. Then come to next chapter. Mole concept. In mole concept these all things have been reduced. Only numericals are there. Okay. full reduced. Only you can come to data or numerical. Only vapor density numerical is there. In this, only this is there. Vapor density numerical is there. This is reduced. Only vapor density numerical is there, and in this percentage composition is there. Percentage composition full is there. These are things in theory it will not come. Only the numerical based questions will be asked, like in this exercise. The percentage composition full, the empirical and molecular formula full. This topic full. Okay. Then this thing here. Then chemical equation also have been reduced. This much only you have to study for the first semester exam. And electrolysis full. Okay, full. Nothing has been reduced. Acid base salt. Nothing has been reduced. Okay. Thank you.